Okay, hi guys. I'm making slime right now, and it's not going out well, so I'm gonna add some more baking soda. I already did a little baby base with like so tiny tiny. It turned into slime, but maybe just more kneading. I'm mixing with knives, so you might hear this. Yeah, because they have like little ruffles right here. Yeah. Okay, let's just keep mixing. It's blue with glitter. These glitters. I'm gonna add one more contact lens solution, and if it doesn't work, okay, then I'm gonna put baking soda, more baking soda. Oh wait, is it actually working? I don't know, because right now, today I got some more contact lens solution, because my other one I wasted it. Well, I used it all. Then today I got some more contact lens solution, and then this big baby. And it cost a lot of money, but yeah. So keep on going. And I have made slime before, like yesterday. It was with glitter glue. This was my first one. Well, not my first one, but a pink one that I added a lot of contact lens solution. That one is my first one. But yeah. I don't add lotion while making it. Like, I do it after. There's like a lot of glue, because I've been touching this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add one more pinch of baking soda. Baking soda does not harm nothing, nada. Does not make nothing. Okay. Doesn't do nothing to your hands. Like, what is that thing called? Borax. I used to call borax activator, and I still do. But one time I thought borax and activator was not the same thing. So one time I embarrassed myself and said, "Did you make that with borax or activator?" And yeah, my friend started laughing. Her name is Kamari. Yeah, she started laughing and said, "They're both the same thing." And yeah. Okay, I'm making like this little chunk. It's like coming in. Well. Okay, that baking soda, my last baking soda, is doing good. Here is one I like put food coloring. No, marker. And I might just use my pinkies, and it used to be this color, but then I changed it. Food. Not food coloring! I keep calling it food coloring. Okay. There's this girl called Mia in my class, and she loves slime. Yeah. It was the girl I gave the shout out to. I got a new channel called Camilla the Unicorn. Go subscribe to it. I just now made my first video on that channel. And yeah, here's my little piece. Like, it's coming in, and like I have glue all over my hands, but that will get off. I think this won't be pokeable because the little piece is not even pokeable. Okay, I'm just kneading in this. People keep on talking, they could tell us every now. My favorite song on Musical.ly is this one. My phone is charging next to me. So yeah. It's turning purple. It looks like violet purple. Alyssa is violet.
Don't bother me when
The frick? That's my favorite. Oh yeah! I made my Musical.ly account too. It's called Camilla the Unicorn, like my other YouTube channel. And yeah, subscribe to my other YouTube channel. Okay. This is how it looks like so far. And I think it's coming in. Yeah. A little chunk is stuck in my hands. What did I click? Oh no, I need the other slime. Okay. Wait, I'm kneading it on the knife and it feels like it's coming in. Yeah, it came in. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Just need some. This little chunk is coming in. Tell me pretty lies, look me in my face. Tell me if you love me, even if it's fake. 'Cause I don't, okay. It's just a song, kids. It's just a song, yeah. Nicki Minaj. No, I don't even know who that was made of. Like, who made that song? Okay. Made of. I don't have good grammar right now. Maybe it's just me. I'm excited. Okay. Oh yeah. Ew. When it comes to slime, like slime making, That is not my thing right now. Because you get all messy. And if it doesn't even work, and then you touch it, you're like, oh my gosh, this is a... Touch it, and then... How much was that? Comment down below and then you get a shout out. How many times did I say and then? Comment down below and then you will get a shout out. Okay. It's sticking on me. Oh wow. Sorry by the background. Ugh. That is just gross. I'm needing some right now. This one is sticky. Hi guys, that should be my next pet peeve slime video. Hi guys. I already made that a video on my other channel. You should go check it out. Subscribe. Yeah. 21 subscribers or 20, I don't know. I never counted. Well, I didn't see yet. But yeah. Oh no, some got in my phone. Not my pants, girl. Not my pants. Okay. I'm gonna pause the video until this turns into slime because I might waste my time a lot. It's hard. It's hard. Okay, so it turned out to be great. And I brought it to the park with my bestie, Sonia. We had a play date there, Pioneer Park. It was so freaking fun! Bye, guys. Not ready. Slime punch!